Quick video on our second 51 Chevy we've had in the last few weeks. Very ironic to have two 50s model Chevys at all back to back, but much less two 51s. Both locally owned trucks that had history with family members from the South, even more unusual. This truck is a lot more original than the last. This particular truck was owned by one of our very good local customers we've done a lot of business with over the years, local businessman as well. This was basically his truck of trucks for his collection, but just didn't get used. He did the reassembly, all new bright finish work, chrome, stainless trim, emblems. Still has the original small 6-cylinder engine. It does have new brakes. It does have new tires. Era correct looking, but they are radials versus bias. A little scuff here and a little scuff back there where it rubbed against the garage side when his uncle owned it. Undercarriage, very clean. Definitely not an old rust bucket truck like most. Does have some drips under it, as you'd expect of something of this age. So if you put it in a garage, you might want to have a little diaper under it. And just like most of these trucks, the carburetor was a pain in the ass. He did have the carburetor gone over. Professionally rebuilt, but the truck is still cold-natured. He would let it sit for weeks on end, and he would have to shoot it with a little bit of starting fluid. It's been inside our warm building here. We've been starting it daily, and it actually starts okay, but if it does sit, you know, that may be something that has to be done. There's the starting fluid right there. But very original truck. Headliner still intact. Doors open and close good. Fit and finish on this truck's very nice. Still has the push button start on the floor. Also kept a trickle charger on it. It is 6 volt. We have not had any trouble, but again, we've been starting it and moving it around in the showroom here. A couple other really cool pieces sitting in here right now. Very low. Inventory has been flowing out of here pretty crazily. But this 51 is a nice driver for somebody. Somebody will be very happy with this truck. We'll add it to a collection, whatever your needs are. Thanks for watching. Check the websites anytime if we can help you with anything further.